Hi, we're Michelle and Sally in FT1B. Today we're going to talk about recycling. Everyone recycles. However, not everyone knows what exactly recycle means, the reason that we have to recycle, or the things that are made from recycling. Today, we are going to talk about recycling to tell you about its importance. Recycling means changing the use of things that have already been used. We know that recycling has a long history, and we still recycle today. For example, a Swiss company named Freitag has made a practical bag using waterproof material of trucks, seat belt of cars, and waste tire of bicycles. Also, Earthground, the company that tries new things for Earth, uses coffee grounds to make design products such as clocks or vases. This new approach can reduce CO2 that is produced when we throw coffee grounds away. Furthermore, some designers try to make a house from discarded shipping container boxes, cork stoppers of champagne bottles, and pieces of wood collected from construction works. However, a lot of people are still unaware of the importance of recycling. Why do we have to recycle? As you know, resources are limited. We can't use them forever. If other resources become exhausted by humans in the future, we may have to go out to space in search of other resources. Or we may fight and even go to war to take over the resources of other countries. Maybe recycling can solve these problems of today and even our future. If we recycle, there are many advantages. The biggest benefit is that we can conserve the environment. By recycling, we can reduce the amount of garbage discharge and soil pollution. Trash that is not incinerated will be buried in landfills. These wastes that are underground won't rot. Even if the trash does decay, it will take a long time for the trash to rot completely. For aluminum cans, plastic bags, it takes 80 to 100 years, 15 to 1,000 years each to be decomposed. Glass bottles does not even decompose forever. Recycling is the solution to reduce pollution. In addition, people, creatures, and the earth itself are suffering from global warming. The way to reduce global warming is recycling. The biggest reason of global warming is greenhouse gases such as CO2. There are many ways to reduce greenhouse gases, and recycling is one of them. If we decrease the amount of garbage and recycle, the level of CO2 will also decrease. In addition, recycling can help the economy. If we use environmental-friendly materials to make new products, the demand for these products will increase. And these products will also cause less pollution. So if you want to live in a cleaner environment and help the economy, start recycling from now on.
Now I will talk about things that are made through recycling and tips for recycling. Many things are made through recycling. First, we can see recycled paper in our everyday lives. Recycled paper is made from mixed waste paper. In some schools, including my school, they use this recycled paper to make test sheets. When people make 1 ton of waste paper to make test sheets, when printing out recycled paper, air pollution, water pollution, and industrial water that used in industrial production process decreased by 70%, 35%, and 58% respectively. Second, we always see toilet paper when we go to the toilet. Some toilet paper is made from milk packs. This toilet paper is different from other toilet paper. They have tough fiber and they don't generate much dust. So they were evaluated as a safe product in Korea Environment Preservation Association. Here are some tips for you. When recycling, most people are confused about recycling the glass bottle and their lid together. But you should take off the lid and recycle differently. Also, send a styrofoam buffer material from TV of refrigerator to a store as soon as possible. Many people are confused that eggshell, chicken bone, cornstalk, etc. are possible to recycle too. But they are impossible to recycle because they can't be used to make animal feeds and compost. As you can see, recycling has a lot of advantages. We can make many new things and create a pleasant air environment. If we recycle more, we will not need to incinerate large amounts of trash. If we burn large amounts of trash, smoke can cause the residents who live in the area nearby a garbage incineration plant. As a result, recycle is necessary in our everyday lives. We should recycle to make a clean environment our descendants, our country, and the world. If we don't recycle and incinerate trash constantly, the environment polluted more and more. Then we will not be able to enjoy fresh air and will have to live in a world full of waste and smelly air. Also, probably our descendants may have to wear gas masks or our country and the world could go out of existence. Thank you for listening to our presentation for a long time.